Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create an AWS architecture diagram in Draw.io. An AWS architecture diagram helps visualize cloud infrastructure, services, and connections clearly. First, open Draw.io, go to the left-hand panel, and click on More Shapes to open the Shapes Library window. Scroll down to the networking section, and under networking you will see options such as AWS 17 and AWS 18, so toggle them on. Then click on Apply. Now the selected AWS shapes will appear in the left-hand panel, and you can scroll down to confirm they have been added. Click on the drop-down menu and drag and drop any AWS shape onto your canvas. To connect shapes, hover over a connection point, and when the plus icon appears, drag the arrow to the shape you want to connect. Another easier way is to click on the plus icon at the top and select Template. Click on Cloud, and under Cloud you will see an option called AWS. Click on AWS, choose any AWS template you prefer, and then click on Insert. The selected AWS template will be added to your canvas. And that's it. We just learned how to enable AWS shape libraries, use AWS icons, connect them, and insert templates to create AWS architecture diagrams in Draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.